Working on persuasive paragraphs. We've come up with a topic, which is trying to convince the teacher that we should have more recess. We've come up with some reasons, and we put the reasons in what we thought would be the most important order to the teacher, the person that we're trying to convince. So what we're going to actually do now, we came up with a grabber sentence, right? A good introduction, and a seal the deal conclusion, a good concluding sentence. So we're going to actually getting prepared to write our paragraph. And when we get prepared to write our paragraph, we're going to actually write it out on this organizer. So we'll write our names. Okay, Miss Dunson. And the date, which today is 5/21/14. And then I'm going to look at my grabber sentences I had. Okay, so I had some grabber sentences. I decided recess is fun isn't too good. Whoops, I forgot to put a question mark on that one. I can choose, hey teachers, are you looking for some extra free time, or are your students sick all the time? I could also come up with another one. I'll just choose, hey teachers, are you looking for some extra free time? Because I think that will get teachers' attention. So, hey teachers. And I'm going to write that right in here. Are you looking for some extra free time? And then what I'm going to do is I put my reasons in the order of most important to least important. I picked which order was which, and then I put it on to get the facts straight. So this is my most important order, my most important one here, my least important one down here. Okay, we could just write the paragraph like this. You know, that wouldn't be too much of a problem. But just to make it a little bit stronger, we're going to mix this order up into a strong order. So we're going to say reason 1, because that's going to be the strongest reason. And then we're going to go to reason 5, because that reason's weakest. That's not the strongest at all. Okay, and if you only have 4 reasons, then that would be reason 4. Okay, then we're going to do reason 4, 3, 2. So we kind of go very strong, and let's say weakest, not as weak, probably pretty strong, and then stronger. So we get stronger as we go. It's kind of like you pack a punch in here to get people's attention, and then you start small and you get a crescendo here if it were music, right? And you'd get bigger and bigger and louder until and look, it looks even like an exclamation point upside down. Okay? Until finally you seal the deal with this conclusion, with what people can't refuse. So my reason 1, I'd write it right here. Recess gives teachers time to better prepare lessons for us. Right? Recess gives teachers time to better prepare lessons for us. Okay, and then I'm going to look and say, well, reason number 5. Okay, recess is fun. Fun makes us happy. And that's what I'm going to write for number 5. Fun makes us happy. Okay, do you see how I would write that? I would take the reasons. Number 4 would be next, then number 3, then number 2. And then my conclusion I would take from my conclusion choices. Right? I would choose one of these and I would write it into my conclusion. Does that make sense, guys? Good, because that's what you're going to do today. All right? So that's what you want to focus on, and then after this we're actually going to be working on putting the paragraph together without all the extra organizing pieces in there. So it's really neat.